गोंयांतल्या टॅक्सीकारांक गोवा मायल्साक विरोध आशिल्ल्यान काँग्रेसीचो आमदार आलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड तांचे बरोबर आसा. गोंयकारांचो धंदो सांबाळप हें आमदार म्हूण म्हाजी जबाबदारी अशें तांणी हालींच टॅक्सीकारांच्या पत्रकार परिशदेंत जाहीर केल्लें. पर्यटन महामंडळाचो अध्यक्ष दयानंद सोपटेन पत्रकार परिशद घेवन सरकार नवी येवजण चालीक लायतले अशें जाहीर केलां. ताचेर आमदार रेजिनाल्डान प्रस्न उबे केल्यात. पर्यटन महामंडळ कोणा खातीर नवीन येवजण करता? गोंयकारांक काय ट्रान्सपोर्टरांक? ही येवजण गोंयकारां खातीर काडटा जाल्यार गोंयकारांक गोवा मायल्स नाका आसतनाय सरकार तांचेर ह्या नवीन येवजणेंतल्यान जबरदस्ती कित्याक करता? अशे साबार प्रस्न आलेक्स रेजिनाल्डान केल्यात.
काल गव्हर्मेंटान सोपटेन अनाउन्स केलां चेअरमॅन DTC की आपण स्कीम करता म्हूण फॉर टॅक्सीज. नाव स्कीम फॉर whom? For Goans who are going to run a taxi and for a private agency or a private company where the stake is only 5% of GTDC. I want to ask Sopte, second, why a scheme for taxis if the app is running so well? What is their problem? Two questions I want to ask, pertinent questions to Sopte. So much is in love with fellows. I think his people have taken a press today. So how much they love Goa Miles, they have spoken in Mandre. My issue is don't spend public money to help a private company, that is Photo Miles or Goa Miles, whatever, that too. People have asked, they have asked details of the taxi association has asked details of the app, the companies and everything which has not been given to them as yet under RTI. Till such time. And the second part, if they have so much confidence in the app, why they have to give presentations, why they have to ask for, why they have to call for taxis, more taxis. And the latest thing is, when taxis are given, permits are given, why now only taxis which will be joining Goa Miles and them? Why is there so much pressure of the government? Why promote a private player in the taxi business run by Goans? हे गोंयकारांगे business आनी गोंयकारांगे businessan इतले pressure कित्याक काय म्हण?
As the world is moving towards technology, even Goa should move towards technology, but it should not be forced upon.
Not at the cost of Goans. गोंयकारांचेर आड technology पासून ना. Technology taking Goinkars into confidence. See, there is nothing. There is only one thing you can't do, bring the dead man alive. The rest you can do. Because this government has proved that they can do many things. From casinos to fish. From formalin to wrong medicines to people.